All right, this is Rock and Roll Hoochie Koo by Rick Derringer. We're going to start out with this intro here. We got... Okay, so we had threes on the A and D strings, part of an F chord, those threes from the F power chord. But we're going to go threes, 3, 3, and fives to 3. Then we're going to go to the 5th fret and do the same thing. Fives, fives, sevens, and fives. And then we're going to go to the A power chord up here. So all together we got. So I did power chord up here, 5, 7, 7 on the A. And then kind of a palm muted a little bit. Kind of a quick 5, 7 on the A to 5 on the D and back to that 7. And then you're going to go 5s on the D and G strings to the A bass, to 2s to the A bass, and then opens the 2s on those 2 middle strings. So, okay, so we had. And do the same 3s and 5s and back. C power chord, 3 on the A, 5, 5. G power chord, that bigger one. We're going to hit an A power chord and stop on that. So let's look at that again. We got 3, 4. Okay, so here we have it. A and we stop. We're going to go. So that's scratches where you mute all the strings, of course. We got 1, 1, 2. Okay, so it's down, down, up, down, and then we come up and we hit the A bass. A little bend on the big 3 to the low E. So it's. And once we hit that, we're gonna have this sliding octave thing. That's 4 going into 5 on the A string, and then its octave is the 6 on the G string going into the 7 on the G string. You do that 4 times, then you jump to the octave of those, which is going to be 6 on the G string and 9 on the E string. We do 4 more sets of going up 1 fret, so you end up going 6 into 7 and 9 into 10 on the bottom there. Okay, then we're into the verse. We got an A power chord. So we're going to have bum, 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 kind of an upbeat after those first 2. And then we're going to have 5s and 7s to 5s on the 2 middle strings. So same string as the 2s down here. You got the A bass and the 2 and 2. We're going to have 5s and 7s, 5s on those same 2 strings, D and G. So we got verse, we got. And then we're going to have the riff. So that's 5. Kind of chicks in between there where you mute everything. So we're going to go A bass to the octave, the 7 on the D string. Pull off 7 to 5, or you could pick it either way. Kind of sounds like a pull off to me. 7, 6, 5 on the A string, 8 on the E string, down to that 7th fret D string. So it's. And then we go back to the chords. Okay, so the 2nd and 4th of these go to the 8 to the big 5 over here. So let's do that whole verse. 3, 4. And see, I kind of pull off that 6 to 5. It works out for me, up to you. Now there's another riff that goes on with that riff. Okay, so it's like the higher octave of this with some bends and stuff. So against that, it's like. So you kind of wait on this one. You'd be like 1 and. So on the and of the 1, you hit that bend on the 8th of the 2nd string. 1. Okay, so it's 1, and then we got little 5, 8, 5 on the 2nd, up and down on the 7 on the G to the 5 here, and then bend that 8 up again. So it's 1. And the other one goes 1, just goes to that lower A. Next one, 1, 1. Okay, now we're into the chorus. We got an F power chord. We got. Okay, so a bang, bang, chicka, chicka. Okay, same thing on the G. Then we go to the A power chord. So we got A, kind of 3 to 4 on the A, 2 on the D, back to the A bass. We got the 5s, 2s, open to 2. Okay, so we got. Now this one we're gonna go 1 and 3 to that 5 with the pinky. If you can't reach that easy, don't worry about it too much. Just do something like that. Now we're going into the C and G power chords, but there's a tiny walk-up. So it's open to 2 on the way to that C on the A string there. Okay, so full chorus, we got 3, 4. Okay, so same thing there. We go back to the. Okay, so we end up with one of those A things where we stop. Okay, same stuff. Next verse. Okay, instead of a verse, we're going to use the verse rhythm, and this is going to be the guitar solo, which we're not going to do in this lesson. There's enough going on here without it. But we're going to have that same, but we won't have a riff after it. So we're just going to do that same thing 8 times. We got 3, 4. So there's a little interesting thing there after the 4th time you go through. These are 8 times of this, so after halfway through we got the. So it's gonna be like the A bass and then a 9 on the G and 10 on the B to the 9 and 8. So we got. Picks up right in there, and then you go do a normal one. Then you do that one more time. Okay, so I'll do that whole thing again on that solo. 3, 4. Okay, then we move on to this thing. We got an A power chord doing in that honky tonk thing, that 9th fret on the A string there. We got. So we got 5 to 7 on the A to the middle 5s. 7 to 9, same thing. 7s. Little kind of quarter bend on that 8 on the big one. So we got. Okay, we do that 4 times, then we have this new one. We got. Okay, so I'm doing like the A chord here. We got 2, 2, and 2 on the D, G, and B. So I'm going to the 4, the F sharp note on the D strings. We're going same thing with all that. And then we're into another verse after that solo, verse and chorus. We got. See how I threw in that A instead of just waiting, so you can go. Okay, we got the. And you got another one of those, kind of a variety of scratching and stuff. Listen to it and do your own thing, whatever. And then you got another chorus. Okay, then there becomes some fills that you can do. Here we go. So for the F to G, you can go 8, 10, 10. A string bass note there. 10 to 12 on the A to 10s on the 2 middle strings. Here's your G power chord on the 10th fret. Do 12 to 14 and 12s. So. Okay, then at the end of the song, it starts going. So it keeps doing that walk up to the C. It does it like 3 times in a row. So. F, G, A power chord. We got a little riff at the end here. He kind of riffs out. He goes. So we're going to bend the 7th fret of the G string. Do the 5, 5 going up. We'll do 2 8 5s there. Then we got 7 5 on the G, 7 5 on the D. Then we're going to go. So pull off on the G, 7 on the D, and back to that 5. Pull off on the D string. Pull off on the A. Pull off on the E. So. Okay, Rock and Roll Hoochie Koo by Rick Derringer. I'll get to the solo one of these days, but I got some tabs with this. Hope you enjoy it. Talk to y'all soon. Thanks.